Hey there, future moguls. Ever find yourself with just $100 and no idea how to turn it into a fortune? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to show you how to get started investing with just $100. By the way, don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount to kickstart your investment journey. Alright, first things first, let's talk about setting goals. No, I don't mean dreaming about owning a private island next week. Start small. Think about what you want to achieve in the next 6 months or even a year. Maybe you want to save up for a cool gadget or build an emergency fund. Setting realistic goals helps keep you motivated and focused. Now let's dive into the fun part, picking your investment. With just $100, you've got a few exciting options. Number 1, stocks. Yes, the stock market might seem like a roller coaster, but it can be a great way to grow your money over time. Start with fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood and Stash let you buy pieces of expensive stocks, so you can own a chunk of Apple or Amazon without breaking the bank. And don't worry, you won't need to wear a suit and tie to be a shareholder. Option 2, ETFs. Think of ETFs or exchange-traded funds as a basket of stocks. It's like a stock market buffet. You get a little bit of everything, which spreads out your risk. It's a tasty way to dip your toes into investing without having to pick individual winners. Third option, robo-advisors. These nifty little helpers automatically invest your money based on your goals and risk tolerance. Companies like Betterment or Wealthfront can manage your $100 for you, making sure it's working hard while you sit back and relax. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try micro-investing apps? Acorns, for example, rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. You'd be amazed how quickly those pennies can add up. Alright, I know what you're thinking. What if I lose my money? Investing does come with risks, but the key is to diversify and stay informed. Follow financial news, read up on investing tips, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fortune. So there you have it, a simple, fun guide to turning $100 into a potential goldmine. Now don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start your investment journey today. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. And remember, every great investor started somewhere, even with just $100. Catch you in the next video.